Today I'm going to introduce you to the Comfee Flashwave Oven, a versatile and powerful countertop oven that can do it all. First, let's take a look at the oven accessories. The Comfee Flashwave Oven comes with a grill rack, baking pan, removable crumb tray, air fryer basket, and of course, the original recipe, user manual, and quick start guide. The grill rack is perfect for grilling chicken, fish, and vegetables, and the baking pan is great for baking cakes, cookies, and pizzas. The removable crumb tray makes it easy to clean up after cooking, and of course the air fryer basket is perfect for air frying french fries, chicken nuggets, and other foods. The original recipes cookbook is packed with delicious and easy to follow recipes, and of course the user manual provides detailed instructions on how to use the oven. And the quick start guide gives you like the basic overview of the oven features. Now, the Comfee Flashwave Oven uses 3rd generation graphene heating technology. They say it takes about 0.2 seconds to heat up. This means that you can cook a full meal in just 15 minutes, which is 40% faster than the traditional oven. Now, the graphene heating technology also preserves the natural flavor of your food, so you don't have to worry about metallic tastes. The baking pan is coated with an enamel material, making it easy to clean with just a damp cloth. And of course, this is a great feature as it saves you time and effort. Today I'm going to be making a quick and easy pizza in the Comfee Flashwave Oven. And to make the pizza, typically you want to preheat, and that's what I did. I preheated the oven, but I found out pretty quickly that this cooks fairly quick even without preheating. But just as a precaution, I still preheat the oven just in case. Then of course, within 10 to 15 minutes, the pizza was ready, nice and crispy, and still had a nice, delicious cheesy pull and a good texture on the actual pizza itself. So definitely like the finished product that comes out of this oven. Now, the Comfee Flashwave Oven is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile and affordable countertop oven. It's easy to use, packed with features, and cooks food quickly and evenly. I definitely recommend it for those reasons. But beyond that fact, I hope this video helps in your decision making on whether or not you should get the Comfee Flashwave Oven for your home. Alright folks, have a wonderful day. Thanks for checking out the video, and if you want to learn a little bit more, check out the description section or check out the next video over here. Aloha!